Hi, my name's Dave Anderson. I'm with Globe Trekker, and what Globe Trekker does is we are an engineering solutions company, and we make products for overland expedition vehicles. So we engineer panels, we engineer our own extrusions, including thermal break in the aluminum extrusion, so you don't transfer heat or cold into the unit. We also manufacture brush guard material. All of this bolts directly onto our aluminum extrusion via the 80/20 rails that are incorporated into the extrusion. And we ship flat pack kits, including zero torsion subframes, to DIY customers or to builders across the country. One of the builders, Mountain View Adventure Vehicle, MVAV, has built this wonderful vehicle out of our panels, extrusions. They did the whole interior, though, by themselves, because we don't do interiors, we do all of the rest of it. So including the zero torsion subframe that the Habitat rides on, it basically keeps the Habitat in a zero torsion environment while the frame of the truck is able to do its torsional twisting. If your torsional twist is eliminated, in other words, you have a very stiff frame, you're likely to tricycle at least one tire going over rough terrain and you lose traction. So the idea here is to keep all four wheels on the ground, maintain the traction that your vehicle can maintain, but keep your camper away from all those torsional twisting moments and allow it to stay in that very happy, flat, very nice and easy ride condition. If you would like more information about our products, go to our website at www.rvglobetrekker.com. We have lots of YouTube videos to show you that, so please subscribe to that as well. Over 50 videos to show you how to build the Habitat, how to build the subframe, all kinds of different questions you have, it'll be answered for you there.